How to transfer a CapCut project file to another computer. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to share a project file on computer in CapCut. So first of all, after you open up the CapCut like this, now click on this menu at the top right side. So go to this, back to home page. So after you close the project like this one, so all you have now, let's say now I want to share this project. So after you come to the project like this, click on this three dot and then go to this rename. So now rename the project. So I'll type in the new name of the project, my team workers. So after you rename the project like this now minimize the CapCut. After you minimize your CapCut, go to this PC. After you go to this PC, now open up your C drive. So go to this users folder. Now select the user, your current username. So now click on this three dot. Go to option, go to view, and then go to this show hidden files and folder. Make sure to check on this option and go to OK. So now open up this app data folder. So now go to local, go to CapCut, go to user data, and then scroll to down and find a folder called projects. So under the project file folder, go to this com.iv editor.draft. Scroll to down, now find the name of the project. So if I scroll to down, I'll find the name of the project. Now here is the name of the project. As you can see now, my team. So here is the name of the project, my team. So here you'll be able to find the name of the project. Now you can copy the folder. After you copy the folder like this, now you can share the folder to someone. So if you give the folder to someone, make sure to tell the person to add the folder to the exact location that you copy you on. So the person should follow the same process that you follow. After he opened his project folder in his computer, then make sure to add the folder in the same location. So after that, if the person open up his CapCut, so from there he can be able to see the project appeared in this site. And that's it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.